Hello again. Now, we're going to do the same problem we did last time, except this time I'm using a different method. And let's say we forgot that the exterior angle is the sum of the two opposite interior angles. But maybe I do remember that all the interior angles of the triangle are 180 degrees. So what are my interior angles? 45 degrees, 55 degrees, and whatever angle measure is here, and we're going to call that y. How can I find y? Well, we know that all three of those interior angles are 180, so let's add them all up together. We have 45 plus 55 plus the measure of angle y, and that is equal to 180. Well, 45 plus 55 is 100. 100 degrees plus the measure of angle y is equal to 180. So subtract 100 on both sides of your equation, both sides meaning of the equal sign. Those will cancel out. You're left with the measure of angle y is equal to, well, 180 minus 100 is 80. Okay, so now we know that angle y is equal to 80 degrees. So what does that do for us? Well, angle y and angle x are a linear pair, or you can just see that they're two angles that, when put together, make up a whole straight line. So we know that angle y plus angle x equals 180 degrees because that's the angle measure of a straight line. So we can set up an equation like this. The measure of angle x plus, we know angle y is 80 degrees, equals 180 degrees. Subtract 80 on both sides, and we will get that the measure of angle x is equal to 100 degrees, which is the answer we found in the previous video. It's just a few more steps, but it's a good alternative if you forget that angle x is simply the sum of the two exterior angles. So if you're having trouble remembering that, you can always go back to the fact that the interior angles add up to 180 degrees. And from there, you can easily find angle x.